But that's not what is the most important thing. Let's go to the mine pit. Yeah, we're approaching the mine. See a lot of shaly material, black shales, red shales, and this significant. The Afipo area is predominantly shale, so it has also been intruded by dolerite dikes and seals. So that's what they are excavating here as hard rock. So we're going to see how the process goes, and this is it. I cannot go any further than this. I'm like let's say 200 to 300 meters below, and you can see the excavation. This is the mine water. There was blasting. I was told that the rocks were blasted yesterday, and then we are excavating the road paths that were created for the movement of the dump trucks and the excavation process. So very interesting feature. Very interesting feature. What we have below are shales, highly indurated, and then we have the excavation of dolerite. So bad I can't go any further, but this is where I stop for safety reasons. And as you can see from this other end, we have cross bedding. You can see the bedding. These are shales, and they are cross bedded.